Hello, class of 2021. Dr. Rizzo here. Welcome to your senior class meeting. Many of you already know your 12th grade team, but if you are new to the building, I am Dr. Mike Rizzo, the assistant principal over the seniors this year. Mr. James L. Key is our guidance counselor, and new to my office is our grade level secretary, Miss Shelley Kelt. She will be taking the place of Miss Dixon, who is now working down in Dr. Kane's office. So, what do you do if you're going to be absent from virtual learning? I'd like you to call or email or both to Miss Kelt. Her information's on this slide. Also, email your teachers. Let them know ahead of time that you're going to be missing class. This way, they can maybe give you access to a video or some of the assignments that you'll be missing. Online learning is still new to many of us, so here's some tips and reminders. When possible, turn your camera on. This allows your teachers to interact with you throughout the class. Be present in class. No multitasking, just like if you were in the regular classroom. Get in the habit of checking your Parkway email account. Your teachers and administrators will be sending you important information. And remember, you are using Parkway devices and accounts. Your accounts are being monitored. Only go to school-appropriate websites. By now, I hope you know what the school day looks like. The school day starts at 7:20 a.m. and ends at 2:45 p.m. From 7:20 to 9:55, students should be working on out-of-class assignments or homework. On Wednesdays, we will have a support block from 11:30 a.m. to 12:25 p.m. Teachers have virtual office hours from 2:20 to 2:45 if you need their help or have any questions. What is support block? It's similar to ACLAB. You will have the same teacher and students in your class. This is a time to check in with your support block teacher. You can also schedule times with your class teachers for one-on-one help if they're available. We will also use this time for class meetings and other school meetings. You may also want to meet with a tutor during this time. Do you think you need a tutor? If so, let your teacher know, or email Dr. Rizzo or Mr. Key. They will connect you with the North High Tutoring Program. Final exams and grading windows. You may want to take the time and take a picture of this slide. The final exam schedule for first quarter is the following. On October 22nd, from 10 to 11:30, you will take your first block final. Then you will have a lunch, and then from noon to 1:30, you will take your third block final. The following day, on October 23rd, from 10 to 11:30, you will take your second block final. Again, have a lunch, and then from noon to 1:30, you will take your fourth block final. Do you have enough credits to graduate? Review your transcripts in Infinite Campus to make sure that you meet graduation requirements. You need 4 English credits, 3 math credits, 3 science credits, 3 social studies credits, 1 career or tech ed credit, 1 fine art credit, 1 PE credit, 7 other elective credits. You must pass health and personal finance. In total, you need 24 credits to graduate in those areas. Mr. Key will be reviewing your credits and give your support block teachers a list of must-pass classes in order to graduate. If you have any questions about your credits, contact Mr. Key. We have a new college and career counselor and A-plus coordinator at Parkway North. Her name is Miss Katie Meyer. Her contact information is on this slide. All A-plus documentation and hours must be turned in to her before May 1st. So make sure you are working on that if you are in the A-plus program. Class of 2021, I know this isn't how we expected to spend our senior year, but I believe in every one of you and know that you'll do your best. If you need help with anything, please reach out to the 12th grade team. I love you guys, and I'll see you soon.